Everyone knows that Grok can generate unlimited images and short video clips. But very few people know that Grok can also create full-length videos with 100% character consistency. Today, I'll show you the exact trick I used to generate this 60-second video using only Grok. Same character, same style, perfect consistency. Using this method, you can create high-quality long videos and grow your YouTube channel fast. So let's start. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the video story. We'll ask it to create a 60-second short story and add a new suspense hook every 5 seconds to keep viewers engaged. To keep things simple and visually consistent, we'll limit the story to just 2 characters. And just like that, our short story is ready. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate scene-by-scene prompts with one important instruction. Each scene must stay connected to the previous one for a smooth cinematic flow. As you can see, all our scene prompts are now ready. Now let's create Scene 1. Copy the first scene prompt and go to Grok. Switch the mode from video to image, paste the prompt, and hit send. Grok will generate multiple image variations. Choose the version you want to continue with. Click on your selected image. Adjust the aspect ratio if needed. For this tutorial, I'm choosing portrait format. Now click Make Video. Within seconds, your first scene video clip is ready. Now let's move to Scene 2. Copy the Scene 2 prompt, paste it into Grok, and generate the image. But notice something important. The main character has changed. The robot design in Scene 2 doesn't match Scene 1. If you're creating a long story video, this breaks character consistency. So first, let's generate the video anyway. It looks good, but it's clearly not the same character. Now here's the secret trick for 100% character consistency. Play Scene 1 till the end. Right-click on the last frame and copy it. Paste that image into Grok's Imagine prompt box. Grok will automatically start generating a video from that last frame. If you don't want this auto-generation, don't worry, we'll fix that shortly. This new video looks smooth, but it still doesn't match Scene 2's visuals. So here's the fix. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 2 prompt and paste it along with the last frame of Scene 1. Now click Make Video. Within seconds, Scene 2 is ready. And this time the character is perfectly consistent. To generate Scene 3, repeat the same process. Copy the last frame of Scene 2. But before pasting it, disable auto-generation. Click your profile icon, Settings, Behavior tab, scroll down and turn off automatic generation. Now go back, paste the last frame into Grok, then paste the Scene 3 prompt below the image and hit send. Boom! Scene 3 is ready, with perfect character consistency again. Using this method, you can generate every scene of a long video with the same characters, same style, and smooth visual continuity. Repeat this process for all remaining scenes. Once finished, click here to view your entire scene set. As you can see, all scenes now match perfectly. To download any scene, simply click on it and hit download. Now it's time to edit, but first we need a voiceover. For that, we'll use Google AI Studio, a free AI voice generator. Click on Single Speaker Audio, choose your voice, paste your script, remove timestamps, and hit Generate. In a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready.
Moving faster, the timer suddenly jumps forward. Lumi, this room isn't on any map. The walls quietly begin to close in. the light flickers. If my light goes out, this place disappears. Seconds.
Preview it, and once you're satisfied, download the file. Now import all scene clips and the voiceover into your video editor. I'm using Filmora. Drag the voiceover to the timeline. To remove silent gaps, click Silence Detection, keep default settings, and analyze. Once done, click Finish and Replace. Filmora will automatically remove all silence. Now import Scene 1. If you're making TikTok or Reels, scale the video to 123%. This fixes Grok's vertical sizing issue in most cases. Adjust the clip speed to match the narration. Repeat the same steps for all scenes. Once everything is synced, you can add automatic captions to increase retention.
Milo, the countdown just skipped time. This room wasn't here before. Why is it closing in? If my light shuts off, this place won't exist anymore. Wait, what do you mean won't exist? It doesn't disappear. It erases. Then why did it bring us here? Because you're real, Milo, and I'm only a guide. No, then come with me. I was never meant to leave, only to lead. I won't go without you. If you stay, we both end. Some lights don't disappear, they travel.
If you've watched till here, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to create a complete animated movie using only prompts, don't miss the next video. See you inside that tutorial.